Hi guys, in this video I am gonna to teach you how to make black bean and avocado salad. So let's get started. First of all I will show the ingredients list. The ingredients are, for the dressing, 4 tablespoons lime juice, 7 tablespoons extra virgin olive oil, 3 to 4 jalapeno peppers or 1 red chili, finely chopped, to taste, 1 garlic clove, minced, pinch ground cumin, salt and freshly ground black pepper. For the salad, 3 by 400 grams tins cooked black beans, drained, large handful chopped fresh coriander, 4 medium tomatoes, chopped into wedges, seeds removed, or 16 cherry tomatoes, halved, 1 large red pepper, stalk and seeds removed, sliced into thin strips, 1 red onion, thinly sliced, 5 spring onions, trimmed and thinly sliced, or 1 small red onion, thinly sliced, 200 grams, 7 ounces fresh watercress, tough stems snipped into half, 2 large ripe avocados, skin and seeds removed, cut into cubes. Now the method is: Step 1. Put all of the dressing ingredients in a jam jar, replace the lid and shake until well combined. Season with salt and pepper. Add more chili if desired. Step 2. For the salad, rinse the black beans under cold running water and drain. Put in a large mixing bowl and pour over half of the dressing. Step 3. Add the remaining salad ingredients, apart from the watercress and avocado, and stir well to combine. Step 4. To serve, divide the watercress among 4 serving plates. Spoon the salad on top, then cover with the avocado cubes. Drizzle a little more dressing over each portion. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe this channel.